Hello everyone. This is going to be a different episode in this series of 90 days spoken English course. This is day number 28 and I'm not going to teach you anything today. Instead, I have invited one of the members of my fluency batch. Hi Omkar. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, Roshan. Okay. Hello, everyone. I am Omkar Zaikar from Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. I am a final year student of engineering in computer science, and nowadays I am finding out the opportunity to where I apply my skills.
Hmm. Omkar, I didn't believe in testimonials. Like I have been working on the internet for almost 2 years now. But I never took any kind of testimonials from my clients, whoever was part of my classes. But these days, whenever I receive a message from some other people who don't know anything about my work, they ask about testimonials. So tell me, how was your experience being in that group, learning and practicing together?
When I joined your class, there I think in the first class we are 3 to 4 members. Then after the members number are increased, I got nervous on that time because they are better than me, and what
Hmm.
I learned from them to speak something that I that time I can speak, but I have grammatical mistakes. Still,
Hmm.
I have
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
vocabulary problem, but what that thing help speak whatever you have.
Yeah.
I got confidence, and now I think in my personal life, from your after your class, I give the 10 to 12 presentation
Hmm.
confidently in front of 40 to 50 people.
Yes. Yeah, man, I think exposure is very important. Like, regardless
Yeah,
of where you are, if there are some people who speak better than you, then you learn from them. The main thing is
yeah,
confidence. Like, you can learn grammar, you can work on your basics. These are the things that we have to work throughout our lives. There is always some room for improvement. But confidence comes from exposure, like being in a situation where you know that I have to sound authentic. I have to present myself in a manner that, yeah, I believe in myself.
yeah,
Start, right? That's the perfect way to do it. Uh,
yeah.
and
Also,
yeah, go ahead.
okay, for learning something, you should take a risk in
Yeah.
any field.
Hmm.
That's the point for building a confidence because
Hmm.
people are thinking. You told about the I think Roshan.
Hmm.
He is nervous. Maybe he had an internet problem. He
Hmm.
can solve it, but he have fear, and
Hmm.
he is not taking the risk on that situation to solve that problem.
Yeah. Yeah. Willingness is also required. Like the other Roshan, who is from your village, who has joined my classes now,
Yeah,
he's always just studying with the internet. I have told him multiple times that this is a live practice batch. So you will get benefit if you are practicing, if you are actively listening, actively responding. Otherwise, recorded lessons cannot help you much. Yeah, you can learn from them, no doubt, but building confidence comes from talking directly to people.
no, recording videos are also available on YouTube, but
Yeah.
still we can't speak.
Yes. Yes. So you
That's
tell us about the presentation thing. Are you going to college regularly or is it online?
no, my college is finished, but
Hmm.
sometimes we want to give internship review. So then I presented it in English before the final year, before joining your classes. I just talking in Marathi or Hindi without confidence. But after joining your classes, I started speaking in English.
Hmm. Hmm.
But what I understand, they
Hmm.
are not able to understand my English
Yes.
because they are not good enough in there.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Then I sometimes I have need to explain it in Marathi.
Yeah, you have to
And
read the room also, Omkar. Let's say if your audience is not able to understand English, then you have to switch to the native
yeah,
language. Then there would be no
yeah,
point of the presentation if they are not able to understand you.
yeah. It's not about the English. It's about the communication.
Exactly, exactly.
Yeah,
And a lot of people don't realize it. I have seen this with teachers also. Like that I was working in a school, right? So
mm,
I talked to the students and they told me that, sir, a lot of teachers come and they start talking in English, especially English teachers. Before me, there were some other teachers who had worked in that school, and they were talking about how they didn't understand things because of the language barrier. Let's say if I'm working
Yeah.
in a remote area, a village, where students are not aware about English language, they consider it a subject. Do you think if I start talking to them like this, they will understand a single thing?
Can you repeat?
I'm asking
I have not heard.
if I go and start talking to them in English in a village, do you think they will be able to understand me? They will learn from me?
It's hard to understand them, but
Hmm.
yeah, they can learn from it because
Hmm.
you are talking English. If the condition is you don't know their
Hmm.
language, then
Yeah.
they should learn your language.
Yeah. But I mean,
And
in the
if you
beginning,
know,
l- what
yeah,
example I
in the
wanted to
beginning,
give you?
you should try to explain them whatever you way you have.
Yes.
Try to explain they can
Hmm.
understand from that things.
Yes. Yeah. Gradually change the language, make them comfortable with it. If they start understanding, then switch to English.
Yeah,
Hmm. Uh,
it's a slowly process.
obviously, it takes time.
Yeah.
And also credit goes to you. You were always consistent. You attended every session. You were also uploading your videos on the internet. So tell us about that. How did practicing English regularly help you? Putting your content
Yeah.
on the internet.
Oh, yeah. I think I just uploaded only 10 videos on the YouTube, but that videos build my confidence. How? Because in the beginning, I'm not good enough to speak English, not a single word, but what to face camera. I take repeated retake
Hmm.
for the shooting videos multiple
Hmm.
times.
Yeah.
Then maybe 2 days, 3 days for one video.
Hmm.
And how it helped me to build confidence whenever I talk with on the online meetings. Then I have not fear about the cameras.
Yeah.
Then I shifted on the in the real life to
Hmm.
talking in front of 30 people. Then also before some days ago, I also shooted the one video related to my project.
Hmm. Familiarity is important. Like a lot of times, people
Yeah,
are not familiar with tech. They're not familiar with people, so the fear is there, right?
uh, yeah, you have a chance to take it, please.
Yeah, obviously.
Don't take it at fear.
Hmm.
Start speaking only.
Hmm. So tell us, what are you doing these days to work on your English language and your other skills? You are an engineer. You are trying to build something. So tell us, what kind of things are you learning?
Nowadays, I'm working on the my project name is Hungry Upper. It's
Hmm.
like a clone related to Swiggy or Zomato.
Hmm.
Just I learned before the 3 months ago the front end skills, and I am trying to apply them in real life.
Hmm.
And yeah, I am searching for the job where I can apply my back end and the front end skills also, where I
Hmm.
can produce the good product.
So how's the job hunting going on? Have you applied it? Have you applied online, or are you going to interviews offline
Yeah,
also?
yeah, online also, and whenever I see nowadays I am in the Pune, so
Hmm.
whenever I have chance to apply offline, then I go for offline because online is hard to because there is multiple people,
Hmm.
1,000, 2,000, but
Hmm.
in offline there is only 200 to 300 people.
Hmm. Hmm. Uh, how's life in Pune if you compare your village? You were living in your village what 6 months ago, right?
Oh no, I just switched from my village to Pune just 1 month before. Before,
1 month before. Yeah. So
yeah.
tell us, how has been your life in this new city, Pune?
Yeah, after the because in the village I applied for job online, and in the in Pune I just go for interview offline. Then
Hmm.
I got some points to
Hmm.
about the speaking. One
Hmm.
HR told me to you are talking like English commentators.
Hmm.
Then he gave me some suggestion. Watch UPSC videos, or I watch Raj Shamani videos and control my tone
Hmm.
because I in the interview I showed my aggressive tone and then I
Hmm.
changed it to slow down, slow speak, and
Yeah.
I improved it.
Yeah. Yeah, if we come from a village, then there is this heavy mother tongue influence because We are so familiar
yeah,
with our native language that we don't pay attention to English language or our pronunciation. But to work on it, it takes a lot of time, a lot of shadowing practice. But I think you should continue shadowing practice. Uh, Raj Samani, that's your favorite person?
yeah, yeah. That's my favorite person. I
Hmm.
think Michael Phillips. He was
Hmm.
taking the interview of
Hmm.
Michael Phillips. I
Hmm.
was watching that and learned from that.
Yeah. What do you like
His
about
tone
Raj
was
Samani? Is it his English, the way he talks, the way he handles, the conversation?
first thing. First thing I like that is he is a good listener.
Hmm.
For applying real life, you should listen to other person,
Obviously.
then apply.
Hmm.
And way of his talking is also good. And I am trying to convert my way of talking, not the
Hmm.
voice also,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
yeah, we can apply the changes
Hmm.
with
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
practicing or watching videos, note
Yeah.
down something, whatever Rashamani said.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, there are multiple ways to do this shadow practice. You can listen to the person, you can make notes. And I think if you
Yeah,
combine both of the two things, then the combo will be quite deadly, because not only you are learning to speak like that person, but also you are building your vocabulary. You can use those passive vocabulary whenever you are talking to somebody, and those words could become your active vocabulary.
yeah. About vocabulary, I think people are choosing random vocabulary. You
Yeah.
know,
Yes, yes.
I think I suggest choose vocabulary according to your field.
Hmm.
Like I am presenting something like engineering projects or technical things, then I choose technical vocabulary. If you want something different, then you should choose that field vocabulary. Then your English also improves. You
Yeah.
feel confident.
Hmm. Exactly. Like learning random words will not help you much. And also, you will forget them about one point. But if you're learning them in context,
Yeah,
then you will remember them for a longer period of time. You will be using them in your conversation also. And like, choose the domain. The example you gave was perfect. Like, if I'm from IT background, if I want to work in corporate, then I will have to learn English related to it. I will have to build my vocabulary, phrases, sentences, so that I don't hesitate while I talk to somebody from that field.
yeah. I learned these things from your classes. I think
Hmm.
there is when I joined class, there is a
Hmm.
Baljit.
Baljit. Yeah.
Yeah, I think yeah, I learned this thing from him.
Hmm.
He was working in Hyderabad.
Hmm.
I think he said something in the class, and I got it and written it on my notebook and applied in my
Yeah.
real life.
Hmm. That's nice, man. You are also an active learner, so this is also required. Like a lot of people, they over depend on their trainer. They think that now that I have joined this course, I'm gonna learn this language. But it is you who
Yeah,
is gonna take all the action, right? You will have to make
yeah,
notes. You will have to ask questions in the class, right?
yeah. That's because I'm from the village, and village people are also shy, but they have a habit to learn something new.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah. I think it is
Yeah,
just the
and
willingness. It is just the
yeah,
willingness.
willingness.
Hmm. All right, one more question, Omkar, related to your current setup, your current struggle that you are looking for a job, you are working on your skills. So let's see, if you get a job, how do you think your life is going to look different from your current
Yeah,
routine?
now first of all, everyone wants the money. Then I want first the money because to handle the room rent,
Hmm.
college fees,
Hmm.
class fees, or some personal issues.
Hmm.
Now, with this situation, I'm taking money from my parents.
Hmm.
Then I can't handle, or I'm feeling nervousness.
Hmm.
Then I'm searching for the job. After I got good job, then I will manage it properly.
Yeah.
Like life goes really well.
Hmm. Yeah, money can definitely solve a lot of problems, and the basic needs, if we can take care of it, then we can completely focus on our career, right? Even if you're making
Yeah,
like a decent amount of money, as a first in the first job as an intern, then we feel a lot reassured that yeah, in future I can excel it, I can improve myself, I can get better jobs, right?
Yeah, also it can give you boost to improve your career or career growth. You can
Hmm.
apply a better job.
Hmm. Yeah. All right, Omkar, is there anything else that you'd like to add before we wrap up our session for our audience, for anybody who is just struggling with their English?
First of all, to thank you to invite me for this session. For audience, I have one suggestion. Many people, you are talking about Russian also, they
Hmm.
are feeling shy or
Hmm.
they have a nervousness about the speaking or doing something.
Hmm.
I suggest one thing. I think also Sandeep Maheshwari also suggests these things.
Hmm.
You have everyone has the mobile phones or any other tools. Maybe your parents have. If you don't have, take
Hmm.
it, shoot your video daily, upload
Yeah.
it on YouTube. Don't
Hmm.
think about the what will people judge.
Hmm.
Don't take it. It goes viral. Just
Hmm.
uploading for your practice. If someone comments, then reply it. What he suggests, then apply
Hmm.
it in your life.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. And I would like to add one more thing. Whenever you are recording yourself, instead of looking to go viral and instead of
Yeah,
looking at the negative comments, look at the positive side that you are documenting your journey, like where you were started. And let's see, after 2 years, when you will watch those videos, you will think, oh, this is how I used to speak and see how much I have grown, right?
yeah. I
And
also watching my previous videos.
yeah,
Yeah,
how do you
big
feel?
change.
How do you feel when you
Yeah,
watch those videos?
when I shoot my first video, then I
Hmm.
have something hesitation. My
Hmm.
voice was cracking, but nowadays I am become a fluent speaker. Not
Hmm.
that level, but yeah, better than that things.
Hmm. And also rewatch those videos. I know that in the beginning, if your basic
Yeah,
is not good, you won't be able to identify your mistakes. But if your basics are good, if you understand basic, then you can identify your mistakes and write it down that next time I'm not gonna repeat this sentence. Next time I won't be making this mistake. Take help of AI, take help of a trainer, anybody. As long as you are getting good feedback, the progress will be smooth. If you can't, if you don't want to be part of any classes, record, review, take help of internet. Perfect combo.
yeah. AI can help. I think AI is on its peak level, and I think Copilot launched their better version that talk with you. ChatGPT have not, but
Hmm.
also Cloud AI, also OpenAI also there. You can tell
Hmm.
take this AI helps, and Gemini
Definitely.
also upload their launch their new version.
Hmm.
I am also talking with them. It's
Yeah.
interesting, but for the my projects or other things.
All right, Omkar.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your time, man. It was lovely chatting with you.
Yeah. Have a good night.